Welcome back, guys. In today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how to design a church flyer. Okay, if you know you've not subscribed, please don't forget to click on the subscription button below. Thank you. Let's start. As you start, you click on file, new, you go to print, you click on view all presets, then you click on A5. I'll change the resolution to 400, then I'll click on landscape, then create a new workspace. So the first thing I would like to do, like if you follow me on my last video, I said something. I like arranging my work first before I start using color. Okay, for the sake of this video, I've already typed out the information that I'm going to be using. So I'm going to click on this. I'll drag, copy this, then I'll set up my ruler, my working space like this. Let me increase it a little bit. Yeah. I'll pick up my text tool, click, then paste. Yeah, paste it. So I'll reduce. So I'll increase the spacing in between. Yeah, something like this. So I'll pick our logo. There's the file. Pick our logo, sorry. Paste the logo. Sorry for that. So I'll reduce the logo to 15. Like this. Then shift it a little bit. Take this one here. The next thing I would like to do, I would like to demarcate here. So anything I'm designing must not be more than these two lines, these two rulers. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to copy this worship with us here. Ctrl C, select my text tool, Ctrl V, worship with us. Okay, I'll change the font. Change the font to an italic font. This font. Like I said earlier, I like setting up my work or finish design before I use color. Then I'll copy this every Sunday, paste it. I'll change the font to this. Don't worry, I'll drop the link, or I'll drop all the fonts on the description. To the link to these fonts and the files. Every file I'll drop the link for you guys to download for free. So let's continue. I'll reduce the spacing in between like this. Then I'll drag it because this is the main in the hierarchy, the main facet. Then I'll shift it up a little bit like this. Can zoom in so that we all can see it. And create a little bit. Then the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to change the color of this text. I'm going to give it this color FDD001. Enter. That's the color. FDD001. That's the color. Then I'm going to duplicate. To duplicate, you press Ctrl J. Ready, duplicate. Then always duplicate. I'll pick that one and change the color to 16112. It's black, but it's not 100% black, so I'm going to give it a little bit less. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to give it a stroke. To give it a stroke, you right click, then blending option, stroke. Okay, I'm going to reduce the size of the stroke. It's too big. I'm going to give the stroke 6. It's okay. Yeah, you can see it's fine. So the next thing we're going to do, come to our text or select all this, Ctrl C, then pick my text, Ctrl V. I'll break the text apart, change the color to black. What is this thing? 16112. Okay, then I'll change the font from this font. I'll use all caps. Then I'll reduce it like this. Let's say I'm going to change. I'll change it to bold. Yeah, like this. You can increase this one a little bit. Change it to bold, or increase the space in between, like this. Next thing I'm going to do, I'll select my rectangle tool, the rectangle shape like this. Shape it up a little bit. I'll change the color to this, which is FF5400. I see it here. FF5400. Then I'll send it back like this. I'll shift it up a little bit. I'll duplicate. To duplicate, easy way to duplicate, you can press Ctrl J or you hold your Alt key on Windows. Then I'll reduce it like this. Okay, this is what we've gotten so far. The next thing we are going to do, we'll go back to our Word. We'll pick the address, Ctrl C, come back here, you paste your address. Hope we are following. Paste your address, reduce it a little, reduce it. Sorry for that. You reduce it, hit it like this. Then you look for, I'll use an icon for this, use this icon. I use this icon as a location icon. So take it here or reduce it to this size. Yes, you take it up a little bit and now shift the address closer like this. You can see how the design is going like this. The next thing we are going to do is come back to our Word. We'll pick the time, Ctrl C, click on rectangle tool. I like to put my time up here. I'll change this to white, then just press your text tool. I'll paste it. I'll now reduce it reduce. I'll select the both or align the both of them, shift it up a little bit. Yeah, like this. Very simple. Very simple. So the next thing we're going to do, come back to our word, we pick this, Ctrl C, carry our text to paste for more information. Then we'll break it apart, reduce it a little bit like this. Make sure you align it with this logo because of our ruler. You can see. Then we'll shift it up a little bit. Then the next thing I'm going to do, shift it up a little bit. Then drag this. We change the color to white. Then send it back. Entirely. So if I'm to tell you now, I'll tell you I'm done with this design. I'm done with the design. We are done with the design. So the next thing is just we bring our picture. So yeah, I've already removed the background of that the Adobe and picture. And just increase a little bit and this, keep it. Increase a little bit, increase it more like this. Then I'll take their picture up so it can stand out. Yeah, like this. I think it's fine like this. The next thing I'll go up, pick their name, Ctrl C, and then paste here. I'll do this one, or I'll change the format to medium. I'll highlight or centralize them, then I'll reduce the font size to 12. Yeah, like this. Then I can now reduce and bring it down here. You can see how it is. Carry our rectangle to draw a rectangle box. Change the color to white and send it back like this. You can select the both and align it. You can see, like I said, we are almost done. The next thing we are going to do now is our background, which is the last thing I normally do. I can just give it the color black color and send it back. Oh, I'm not giving it black color, we are giving it, we still remember the color 16, 12, 12. Okay, yeah, this is the color, not 100% black. So we change this to white, the heading we change it to white. So the next thing we are doing now is putting our color, our background. What's the first background we are going to use? This is the background. Okay, Bible. Yeah, this is the background. Take it here, close it, I duplicate. Then I pick the down one and increase it like this. Yeah, increase it like this. Let's see, I'm going to go to filter, blur, ocean blur. You can see, very fine, beautiful. Okay, send it back, back like this. Yeah, you can see how it's going. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to print this. I'll increase it a little bit. So this is going to be the image that is carrying on Sunday. Then the next thing, I'll select this. I'll add layer marks. Then select my brush tool. Make sure your brush tool is on black because you are working on white. So you reduce the brush tool, then you place on it like this, and turn it like this. Yeah, something like this. So the next thing you are going to do is to change the effect. Going to use overlay or screen, anyone you want. In this case, I'm using overlay. Then I'll reduce the opacity. So like this, you can see. I would like to increase it more. Yeah. Then I'll send it to the back. Send it to the back like this. Yes, the last thing that we want to do is this. I'll put this picture here. Increase it. We'll still do the same thing. Add layer marks. Select your brush tool. Then brush it. Brush the edges out. And the next thing is to watch. Change the layer. You can use overlay. You can use screen. So in this case, you are using screen. Then increase it a little bit. Next, I'm going to send it to the back. Yeah, sending it to the back of the picture. Yes, there is. Let me give you an example. Let me show you something. You click on your background, the main background. Then you click on filter. You click on blur. Sorry, add noise. You click on noise. Then you click on add noise. There is this quality you normally give my work whenever I add some noise to the work. It makes the work look more real and fresh. So I love adding it to the background. As you can see, it's here. Then click on OK. That's it. That's it. In less than 30 minutes, you have done designing a flyer. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please give the video a thumb, a like, and thanks for watching. God bless you. See you another time.